Anyway, the charge, it was a felony charge. Them charged me because me discharged my firearm. And anyway, when I went court, they dropped it to a misdemeanor at the time. Because the lady was pressing charge against me, she went to court and, no, not the court, she went to the police station to drop the charges them against me. But at this time, she dropping the charge against me, the state pick up the charge still. So even if she go down and say, then boy, me no want this, me no want that, the state pick it up. So the state pick it up now and decide for try me and charge me for the crime.
Welcome guys, welcome back. You don't know, it's me, Rodney. Yeah man, Rodney. Anyway guys, I want to say to each and every one of you out there, I love you like how God love little children. I love you like how God love cook food. I love you like white pan rice. Yes man, I love you. I respect you. I appreciate you. 2025 was a very rough year, up and down, and you don't know. You stick with me. Me there with you. You there with me. Somehow you cuss me. Somehow you talk. But part of life. And remember, when you're on YouTube or any social media platform, your skin have a double time tick. When we say double, triple, triple, tick, because you have people out there with no hold nothing back. So, to all of you out there, I will see you before New Year's. I love you. Watch the video, like the video, share the video, comment on the video. And guys, me know say a whole heap of comment me about them. I read all of them yet. I'm in a hand.
What go me G? Yo, John, man, hungry. Why we no go check McDonald's? Me no want a hamburger. Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
Welcome guys, welcome back to Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV. Remember, Real Talk TV. How no stay, alright? I hope each and every one of you is in perfect health, good health, and good strength. And as always, I hope you're not feeling no pain. If you are feeling any pain, remember what you do. Check the doctor, go to the doctor, call the doctor home if you have the money. If you don't, make somebody bring it to the doctor. And you don't know me, always guys want to know if you do wellness check. Please, me I beg you to do wellness check for your friends, your family, and your enemy. Make sure check them out, see them alright, because mental health crisis is no joke. It's not a playing matter. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, bye. Christmas gone, New Year's a come. But guys, me I wonder to myself, you see, do you think these people really realize there's a new year a come and they must do something different where I go make a little bit of sense? Well, Alicia Kim have a message for them. And Alicia Kim, you ready? Which part you there? Why, Alicia Kim, come here a little bit, man. Come here a little bit. Come talk to them people. Yeah. Tell them a little something where your plan is and what you are doing for 2026. So them can go and sit down and watch you. Talk to them, yeah, girl. Talk to them.
My word for 2026 has to be blessing.
Yeah, man, blessing.
Blessing. Because I've proven that I know what man say, I what God say. And I have to be obedient to what God say. God has walked me through my purpose. Not everybody may agree with it. Not everybody may see it. But I know that this year could have been the year that broke me. This year, you see, celebrating this 150 subscribers with my big up crew. This year could have been the year when Alicia no longer did YouTube.
Yeah.
Because the devil,
Devil try.
you hear me say about the bigger crew foot soldiers, the devil send out him foot soldiers them for me. But in the new year, guys, we're just looking forward to bigger blessings, bigger goals, health, financial goals. We're just looking for all of us fruitfulness,
Yeah, that's what I
reflection,
mean. Yeah.
self-reflecting is really
Yeah,
good.
very
You have to
important.
know where you're coming from, where you're at,
Yeah.
to get to that next point.
That's it.
So we definitely have to do that.
Yes, man.
And I
Wanna
think
hear
this
where
year, one of my biggest
Alicia Kim say? Wanna hear? Me have an next piece to play. Wanna hear me play? Mackie up a front there. Wanna hear? And wanna hear where Alisa Kim say about the Christmas. Sure. My viewers and subscribers, what me really come to talk about is this lady we name. What's her name? Daniela, whatsoever she name. Lady, let me say something to you. A new year come. Yes, a new year come. And if you don't have nothing to do, me I beg you, please go find something sensible, something smart, something more progressive to do than come on social media and make yourself look like a mule. Not a horse, you know, a mule. If you don't have nothing to do, lady, do not come on social media and make room ram and the whole of them drag you through the mud like it's a nothing. Because guess what happened? You make one of the biggest mistake by coming on social media. If you come do what? You didn't come on social media to do nothing more than to discombobulate yourself. You didn't do nothing to Nari. You didn't do nothing to Alicia Kim. All you did was embarrass yourself. All you do was embarrass yourself. Hold on a little bit. The first thing I'm going to talk about is me make a video about you. Yes, me. Yeah, man. Me make a video about you. Everything in the video when me make, you talk about. So that means my information when me have and me get was correct. However, you say when Rumram asks you about the X-Man, you go right around that question. But it better if you did answer the question straightforward, because when you answer the question, you never say, yes, you there with the X-Man, you know. You say you're there with several people. Hold on a little bit. It would be better if you say you're there with the X-Man rather than you say you're there with several people. Several people mean whole heap. You've been in and out of relationship. So, okay. So let me get this straight. So the one quiche, I say how Alicia Kim borrow the man. But I no borrow you borrow them man. You have whole heap. You've been around whole heap. You've been in and out of whole heap of relationship. So in other words, so who is more better? Alicia Kim more and Nari more in a better spot because you have been in and out of several relationships. Who is looking dumber and dumbest on the social media? Eh? Now who is looking senseless on the social media? Now me done with that part because you say several man, you never say you're there with the one man, the X-man, where you go back to. Lie. Then again now, let me come again. You say you go to the funeral. I say you go to the funeral, and I also say you never get invited. You say you never get invited. Why you go? Oh, you go because the respect of you want to bring him. By the way, you want to bring who? Figure see uncle or send off in uncle. Let me ask you a question. I mean, hear a whole heap of who say all kind of things. But the question where you need to answer is, do you and Nari have any kids at all? Do you and Nari have any kids? Hold on, let me come a little closer. Uno want a pitney? Eh? Uno have any child together? Well, if you have any child together, we need to say prove. Come with the proof to say you and Nari have a child together. Because as far as me know about, and you know how me go to work, you know. As far as me know, the woman where the bitter baby mama drama. Yes, remember? DNA tech. So it's not a kid. Okay. So, you know how to pitney, finari. Or you want to answer that one there for yourself. Answer it. You better answer it. And the next time you come, pan, as a matter of fact, I heard that you make a YouTube channel. Me not go check it out yet. The next time you come on YouTube, tell the people them say, oh, as a matter of fact, tell the people them if you have a child, finari, and if you have a child, finari, show the child as bad as things is. The little bad getting one, the bitter mouth one, the strange look. Hold on a little bit. Make me not say that word. The baby mama drama. As bad as things is, she show fear. Yeah, me no know. You need to explain to them. Tell them. Because, people are say, marry baby mother. Yes, you is a wife. But are you a baby mother? Nari. Come on now, let's be honest. When you see me talk like this, me sit down strong and healthy and fit with information. So me need you to tell the people if you and Nari have any kids together. If you and him have any kids together, make the people them know. Next thing I want to talk to you about. So you do all what you can do to Nari. And been doing it to Nari, yeah? Okay. So now you end up at jail. You end up at workhouse for a couple days. Then when you come out of jail, where is Nari? Where is the man that you're married to? In gone. In take up himself and gone. But what did you do? What did you do when you say him take up him things and gone? Did you try to mend the relationship? Did you try to fix the relationship? Did you try to make the relationship go back together? Well, I believe you make couple calls and I try to see if it never work. Why it never work? Because the man never want you. The man no want you back. The man no want deal with you again. The man tired of the problem. The man tired of the situation where you are put him in. The man is sick and tired of you and your, what do they call it? Vulgarism. The man tired of you and how you are put him in a problem and I want to live a certain kind of life where him no want to live because remember me tell you people me say this and me, you don't know me stay already, you don't know me go to work although Nari have one kid over there so and people are saying my beat down my beat all kind of catches left right and center but guess what happened it's Nari is Mr. A cool. He's not a man who love argue. And as a matter of fact, voila. Me see what make the whole of uno in a so much of a problem and want Nari back. Me see why uno see them cooking. Uno see them ham. Right. Hey, me a chef. And me never cook them the kind of ham yet. Honey sorrel. That's a good idea, Nari. That's a very good. Listen, me. That's a damn good, very idea. I go try it. Yes, me go teeth it. Me go try it. Yes, that's a very good idea. The food look good. The tables look wonderful. The food look nice. Chef come through. That's why you know. Hold on, let me fix my glasses. That's why you know a course because guess what? You know, when you pick up, can't cook. When you pick up, can't cook, so you miss Nari cooking. So that's why you want back Nari because at the rate of how you know I go. Remember me tell you the two of you, the two of you problematic woman there. The way you know I go. The way you attack too, you little wife woman there. As a matter of fact, let me ask you a question. You and this man left for over 2 years now? A 2 year or 1 year? Something of a sort. And you sit down with a ring on your finger, I walk up and down, oh, you're married, you're this, you're that. For what reason? For what reason? Let me ask you the question. For what reason you go around and talk about, oh, I'm the wife? You are the wife? What? Me understand that part, but where's the man heart? Which part the man heart there? Ah, you are wear the ring, but where the heart there, the man heart over Alicia Kim. Are you aware the ring? The man heart over Alicia Kim. Are you aware the ring? The man heart over Alicia Kim. Heart I will make you live. Ring, sure. That no mean nothing. If the heart is not where the ring is. If the heart not there is part of the ring, they no mean nothing for your finger. Woman, listen to me. Listen to me. Take yourself off of social media and go and fix yourself. Go and fix yourself. Before you come on social media, I go on like a drama queen. I go on like you think. Listen me good. Listen me good. A reality TV you don't want it. Reality TV you don't want. Because as far as me concerned, a man left you, a man walk out of the house and left you and gone. And then the man go start because the man left you now. The man left you. Listen to me good now. My viewers and subscribers, listen me good. When you're married to somebody and you're in a relationship with them and the relationship now go good, you decide to yourself, say you go left, right? Okay. And you left. Yeah? And you go about your business. My problem is why you and Maki is doing the same thing to them two people? Ah, you never know what that come at that. You come on social media. Yeah. Hold on a little bit. I was listening. Normally me not watch, but me that search for something. Yeah, me that search for something. So me I listen to one of Vice video because the one slackness radio, yeah. Me I listen to him something because me I search for something. And when Me hear one brother who over there where sound uneducated, him sound very idiotic, very stupid, very stupid. Name Gunner. Yes. Me hear Gunner say, Nari must grow balls and come out, come address. Now, let me say this to you, little piece of. And then me hear vibes him, the slackness boss. How him reach out to Nari and Nari better come out. Come. Who is you? Who is you that you believe that you going to send Nari a message and Nari is going to run come out and say, and you clickbait, you know? Clickbait, yeah. That you know I do. Because all you know I use this thing I run down is money. Sensible. Sensible things. Have constructive argument. Nari is not like you know. And you want to say Nari for grow balls. Me, you see some things when I see want to do and say, me just not understand you, none at all. But anyway, me not really attack to you, because for you is a different video it all by itself. So you now, you come on social media and you attack all sort of things. And you attack about several relationships and all these kind of things. But you know really I explain. You said the man left. You say you find this in a the man phone. So there we go. You search the man phone. So you are one of them controlling, manipulating, narcissist woman. You know see it? You know, sister, you are one of them controlling, narcissist, manipulator. That is what you are. And you will have tried for Nari, but Nari a cool, is that Mr. Cool Cat man. Him cool and him no like talk and him no like do no wally pa nothing. But when time come, him we act. But my thing to you is this. The youth, fix my glasses. This is one question I want to ask you now. The youth that you went to Jamaica with, who is that youth? That young gentleman, who was he? Who was he? Another question is, fix my glasses. Are you, is it her? Mm, do you and Nari have any kids together? You need to tell the people and make the people either continue to say you are his baby mother, or we stop say you are his baby mother, because guess what? And the next time you come on social media, you must tell the truth. Stop tell lie. Stop tell lie. By the way, since you are Nari, you see, should I ask this question or should I say this? Viewers and subscribers, forgive me for this. Yeah, forgive me for this. Since you are Nari, since Nari walk out of that house, how many relationships have you been in since Nari walked through that door? My viewers and subscribers, that may be a question that you guys didn't expect me to ask, but I asked a question for a reason. My viewers and subscribers, there's many things going on in and around social media with Nari and Alicia Kim and these people. And guys, if you sit down and look, you have the trucker who the trucker YouTube channel should be about truck. He's not doing any trucking. Yeah, it should be about truck, but he's not doing no trucking. Enough respect to all the truck drivers out there because a lot of them truck drivers, I watch them. Many of them truck drivers are 50, 60, 70, 80, 100, 200,000 subscribers. Meanwhile, Rumram as a trucker is struggling to get 10,000. He's struggling to get 10,000. Look how long he's out there trying to get 10,000. Now, Lady Keish the other day, I shouldn't say lady, because there's no lady in you. Keish, say what do you say? She thank me because me I talk about her channel, so people are going to come over there. You should be ashamed of yourself that you cannot build your own channel. Oh, hold on. My viewers and subscribers, guess what happened? Yes, Alicia Kim reached our 150,000 subscribers. Alicia Kim, she make it. She reached there. Remember, guys, me come out and me ask, for give her a Christmas gift, a birthday present, and for New Year and for our baby. And she get it. She get the 150K subscribers. Man, I'm happy for them. I'm happy for her. But back to these unscrupulous crobits. People, you Rumram, you should have run your channel, the truck channel. You would have so much. Let me say something to you. If me added you for 2026, me that go leave this people business alone and go drive truck. Stop and come out of the truck and show people why you can't come out of that dirty truck? Why you hold on. Why you cannot come out of that truck? What? Why in there, sir? You never have a video out the door. Are you out the door? You always have a video. You inside of the truck, a video out the door. Or a video inside of the truck where pad you there. What happened? You can't come out? Eh? You can't come out. Listen, me know say you're short, You have pictures say you're short. So use a short you. What, you afraid of your shortness? Come out of the truck and go do video out the door. Walk up and down out the door, go do video out the door. Show the people them what you are do with the truck. Show the people them how to pull that part there. Show the people them how you do this and you do that. Me know about the truck too, Instead, you did a fast in a people business and I worry about with Dick and you did that worry about when Alicia Kim go get now that when all you are worried about is when Nari go push in. Why you are worried about that? I know you it a going now. Me not able for you now. So it's not a matter of me not able for you, but me never true talk about you. Me never worry about you because you have nothing named Yasso. Back to what's your name? What's your name? Danielle? Daniela? I don't want to pile up people name. For your name for pile because girl, you are girl, lady, or what me should I really call you? Because me don't really know me if you call you. I mean, crowbits. Should we put in like crowbit? Yeah, man, you're one of them, man. But my viewers and subscribers, me not get it. That lady you need help. You need help. The man left you and gone. The man left you and gone. And Marky, remember in the video where you make, you say the felony. And you say the girl never did a bother with it, but the police them take it over. Remember you said the police then take over the case and charge you. Remember that. So remember say when you are say, oh Trump I go show up Alicia Kim. By the way, let me ask you something. Did you realize that Alicia Kim mother coming to the US easy like Sunday morning? How you think she come in the US? And as a matter of fact, you imagine, you see, make we talk about this part. Hold on a little bit. My viewers and subscribers, it was a very rough 2025. And I am hoping and praying for every single one of you to have a wonderful 2026. I am praying for everybody. I'm hoping that we could all, have a nice 2026 because 2025 was rough, rocky, a lot of ups and downs. So, my viewers and subscribers, you don't know 2026, a lot of different things are come, a lot, a whole heap. So, remember, stay blessed. Enough respect. I'm out. Bye-bye.